Grab one of these cameras and show you all what's going on. Got some bees that are realizing something's going on. Got a tree down. It's hollow all the way through to the bottom, it looks like. Here's their normal entrance right there. Alright, we've got most of the tree open, except for the base here. I know they can go up and run and hide right here, and I'll put that open later, after they go up and run and hide. The bees flying. It looks like they might be wanting to go ahead and settle on the base, or on this first piece that I pulled off. We need to see kind of where they settle so I can find the queen, and I'm going to have to go ahead and cut open this base. I think I'm going to do that now while I've got the chainsaw plugged in. I'm betting she's right in there though. Alright, we've got the base opened up. Good looking base. That could have been a bass drum. Huge, empty, nice thin wall. We got brood here. We've got brood and honey on the other side. And then we have more brood and honey up here. This was the top of their hive. I'm going to take a small breather and see about getting some water in me first and start the removal itself.